adventures of
downward spiral
in a restaurant in a familiar part of town.
Inside a simulation.
Let's see. I wanna.
Sir,
Will you please?
order already. You're holding up the line.
Hey, Luigi.
I've made one
Crying Johnny.
for me and the chocolate milk for the boy.
Now, wait just a darn minute. I don't want a pipsqueak chocolate. I want an adult size. Feed this.
Pizza is too big for you.
The boy's eyes are bigger than his skull.
I'm 6 years old and I want a
Chicken nugget Happy Meal.
Your chicken is getting cold. Shall I feed you?
feed this, old man. Feed this, old man. Feed this, feed this, feed this, old man. Ooh. I'm tired of playing sex to a man who...
I respect you, man.
Villain who is... evil!
Evil?
I'm crossing over to the dark side.
Will you chuck me in?
Steven Universe is
I don't think it's funny.
These three have named their new alliance. Every villain is otherwise known as evil. What can we do? When will this crime wave end? Horrible things are going to happen.
Don't worry, good citizens. Oh, how are you gonna beat off?
You're right.
I give up. You can't give up.
That's a terrible idea. Terrible, 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 terrible.
No world means no money! Now, go save the world.
Wow, the ASI for the best.
Once you put on these costumes, you will come.
Want to see him?
Sure.
You want to see him again?
Captain Magma! Captain
Planet!
Crack! The elastic... I can finally touch my dick! International Justice League subsidiary of Viacom.
So it's agreed. We'll get one cheese pizza.
Purple nurples! Purple nurples! Purple nurples! Purple nurples! I've been found her, mermaid man.
Timmy and Tootie sitting in a tree.
K-I-double-S-I-N-G.
Hey man, that's not cool.
You saved us the trouble of tracking you down. You thieves can't win. You're outnumbered.
There goes our toy.
Super acquaintances, attack!
folks.
Dear pesky
Pig, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is...
We joined Bikini Bottom's case. Super bravely watch the Murmalair.
By the power of mushroom!
Mermaid pants and barnacle songs.
Yeah, follow me.
Up, and away!
We want you boys to make cement.
Oh my gosh, Patrick! This is the greatest wall ever!
When we say touch me, we mean don't touch anything.
everybody is kung fu fighting.
Looks like he's frozen or something. It appears to be some sort of prison chamber made out of frozen cement.
I am good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure you're sure?
I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a good guy. I'm
Well, that's good enough for me.
Prepare to be eradicated.
Six. Whoa! Let go of it, SpongeBob.
Pat, we've got to use...
Belt out of control.